Did you know that there's a URL trick that erases backgrounds instantly? Welcome to the world of Cloudinary image transformations. If you've ever needed clean cutouts, you know how tedious manual editing can be. So to try this out, pick any asset in your library. It can be a product photo, a portrait, a logo, anything. Here's a car with a bland background. Now copy its delivery URL and open it in a new tab. Now the fun part. Add e_background_removal to the URL, right here after upload. That's it. No settings, no sliders, just background removal. Reload the page and magic. The background is gone. Of course, this is just getting started with the image transformations available. You can use this on your product pages, thumbnails, or social posts. Take a look at the different ways you can transform your images, simply by changing the URL. Try one or two transformations out now.